If you win 22 of your games and set a points record, you're the champion, but not in the United States.
Think about it.
Why are you guys doing this at all?
I'm a believer in the point system. What are we doing?
Let's go! We don't know what we're talking about.
What's going on, guys? It is very early in the morning, 2:40 to be exact. We are heading to the airport. I look super Skeletor light with this light going on. It is very dark outside. Hits the crazy lighting in the car. But guys, we are heading to New York City. We're going to go watch Atlanta United take on the New York Red Bulls, looking to take that 5-match shutout streak going to 6.
I'm feeling good about this jack-o'-lantern lighting that I've got going on me, and we're ready to rock and roll. It's New York City time.
That's just your face.
Just my face at 2:40 in the morning.
You've got those eyes that cut through me like an assassin. I've been told that looks can kill. You've heard every single word, but you want action. I've been told about this thing they call free. Will we make mistakes and paper over cracks? You say some hurtful words, you wish you could take it back. So where this goes, guess it all depends. 'Cause where it starts could be where we end. So I just keep on moving. I just keep on moving.
Yes. Hello, everybody. How's everybody doing?
Let's go!
The fact that all these people are here, Atlanta United fans, Seattle, NYCFC, but the fact that this is even happening is like 5-10 years ago, it would have been insane. We're at the top of fucking Madison Square Gardens.
Yeah.
And this is legitimate.
Yeah.
Nobody's weirded out by any of this.
At first you said that, in that little comedy club with a giant octopus hanging over your head.
Argosy.
Cracking above my head.
Yeah, filling that room, right? And that's how it starts. So it's been a great ride, and we're just so glad to be here and, talk about this with you and with you guys.
I believe the song goes started from the bottom, and now we're here.
Yeah.
Exactly. And anything else to add, Alexis?
I mean, it's just, this is dope. Thank you so much for
wait, you know what?
What's up, guys and gals? Just letting you know, it's a beautiful Friday morning here in Harlem. We're back at the Airbnb. We just wrapped up with the Cooligans, which was an amazing experience. And now we're on our way to the AT&T MLS headquarters studios to just get the tour, to see everything, to see where the magic goes down. Unfortunately, there's no Kalen Carr, no Susanna Collins, no Andrew Wiebe, no Bobby Warshaw, so we get the run of the mill. It's our studios. We're going to take over for real style.
Thank you so much again for letting us come and check out these incredible places you guys have here in New York City. And hopefully this lot goes away and these guys take all 3 points come Sunday.
We'll see you tomorrow from Harrison, New Jersey. Deuces.
Get this party started. I got the music playing loud. How you like my outfit? I have to say I'm kinda proud. I got my dancing shoes on.
Hey, y'all, we are in a cab headed to Scar's Pizza. Because Alexis Guerreros couldn't get enough of us after hanging out in their studio, OG Studios, the Cumulus radio station building or whatever it's called, fancy stuff, who knows. And he's challenged us to a pizza duel or something. something like that. I think he's just giving us a private tour of one of his favorite spots, Scar's Pizza. We're heading there. Tanner's stuck in the front seat, an audience member to his own cab ride, just like he was in the studio. Yeah, so we'll see you at Scar's, guys.
We're gonna eat pizza? All of you? We just walk in when we just...
Well, it's Alexis. Of course we just walk in. I have no idea what he does fucking on the
Go and grab some air now. I try to pick myself up. Nothing's wrong with me yet, but maybe this bow tie was too much. I just have to be cool. Looking like I'm Clint Eastwood. Ain't the bad or ugly. My mama said that I'm the good. We went to the club like we always do. This girl called my
Cheers. Salud.
So why is this the spot
Yes, wait.
lately that you've been so hyped about? Has it always been?
The fresh milk flour. You just don't find that. I mean, look at the bubbling inside of it. Look at the crust on the bottom. Perfectly caramelized. Incredible fresh mozzarella. Organic tomatoes. There's people that have gluten intolerances, but they can eat this because the flour is freshly milled and there's no preservatives in it whatsoever. So I know people who get itchy and bumpy when they eat bread, and they can eat 3 or 4 slices of Scar's Pizza and nothing happens to them. It's a testament to him.
Never seen a sunrise more beautiful than today's. But then again, that's what I always say. I never thought the moonlight could feel so warm on my face. It didn't used to be that way. It can be easy to get lost when everyone's waiting for you to fall. It can be easy to get lost when everyone's waiting for you.
No, they're all wearing River Plate.
These are their season ticket holder gifts.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Where's Tanner? Season ticket holders got shoes.
Yeah. We got
So, what particular type of meat is this that was just
Scorched steak.
Oh, okay.
We always get like a Kobe scorched steak.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
So, where inside the stadium do you sit?
Supporter section.
Oh, good. All right. Hell yes.
It's really loud.
Yeah, when you see the loud crowd, and if you see someone acting crazy,
It's
sorry.
you. Okay, good to know.
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, for the record, for the
What's going on, guys? I'm here with my boy E from High Press Pod.
What's going on? We back.
And I gotta say, man, I'm looking around at these names like Mark Chung and Thierry Henry and Clint Mathis and Tony Meoli and Mike Pecky and Eddie Pope. Like, tell me about some of your, experiences.
Man, listen, we got some history, man. I love the team when we had Thierry Henry. Juan Pablo Angel is one of my guys.
Yep.
Matter of fact, shout out to my man. What's his name? The dude from New Rochelle, I forgot. But I just had so many memories in this building. I used to come and sit in the supporter section. Now I'm here in the media section, which is pretty cool.
Moving on
up. Moving on up. But yeah, no, it's dope, man. We're just here. I had to show my guys the tailgate and,
We appreciate it, man. The love was amazing.
Yeah,
the food
man.
was amazing. The drinks were flowing. We're now inside. But like I said, I had to make mention because Red Bulls is a team with a ton of history. 3 supporter shields, no MLS Cups, but 3 supporter shields, so that's impressive.
That's nothing to sniff at, man.
It is. It's important. So I'm a believer in the point system. Everywhere else in the world, that's a trophy. But we're about to get ready, get this game started. So I'm gonna shout out to my man E one more time. We'll catch up with you at halftime.
Yeah, man, we here, baby. Let's go. Red Bulls, baby.
Bitch, I got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems I solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back, tell me I'm garbage. I'm going through something, that's why I ain't calling. Phone and progression, it's all that I wanted. The phone and affection, I summon and dub it. Cause bitch, I got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems I solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back, tell me I'm garbage. I'm going through something, that's why I ain't calling. Phone and progression, it's all that I wanted. The phone and affection, I summon and dub it. Why you be all my life? I summon and dub it.
We're here at Brisas in the Red Bull Arena Stadium. The infamous David.
I'm David. Nice to meet y'all. How's it going?
David, how did you guys get started here?
We started a year and a half ago. It's a really long story, but essentially I came to a game, realized that we needed some more Hispanic food in here, talked to the front office, they listened to me. We made it happen as the first ever official empanada sponsor in America.
Let's talk about the empanadas you got here.
Yep.
What empanadas you have, and then what can we order?
So every game, I eat them. Yeah, you can have as many as you want. But every single match we have beef, chicken, and vegan. They're all corn-based, deep fried, and they're all gluten-free. So that's one of the big pros for a lot of the fans here.
Yeah.
And then depending on the game, we'll also do specialty empanadas. So we've done one with pork, we've done one with cheese, we've done one that are red empanadas if you've ever seen those. And then right now we have natural juice and ice cream. So we're little by little infiltrating like Colombian cuisine into American sports.
And have you seen yourself extremely busy once you've started?
Yeah, so the rush before the match starts an hour and a half before the game starts.
An hour and a half?
Yeah, and then halftime, so in about like 2 minutes, the line will be about down there.
That's crazy.
Yeah, it's a blessing, but I'm thankful that the fans, both away and home, support us tremendously.
Yeah, all right, so
that's awesome.
Let's get some empanadas.
You want green sauce?
I'll do green. Thank you.
There we go. Let's get the bite.
Let's do it. Cheers, guys. It's an honor to hang out with you guys. Always a pleasure. I feel like I have a second Atlanta family.
You're welcome anytime.
What are we doing? 10 men, 1-0 down. Why?
In MLS.
Let's go!
No. Someone shoot the fucking ball.
No Spanish.
Come on, Joseph! I hope he heard that. I didn't just lose my lungs for nothing.
Like, Joseph has had a chance this game. Tito, chance this game. We're having clear-cut chances. This isn't like we're not creating. Take a shot.
So that's a wrap from Harrison, New Jersey. Unfortunately, the result didn't go our way. Maybe it went his way. But 0-1. Atlanta United goes down to Rebels. We had an absolute blast. Elo Stacks, my man, thank you for everything.
Of course, yo. Anytime, man. Anytime.
This man has been a godsend. We're getting ready to head back into the city now. We got Game of Thrones to watch.
Game of Thrones!
Time to get disappointed twice in one night.
All right. Okay, one more.
We got the show here.
All right. Hey, look, Kelly, look. I'm juggling the 3 points Atlanta dropped.
Yeah, because you can't play.
Watch this.
Oh, there it is.
There it goes.
Forget you! That's so wrong!
Those were his juggling rocks. So this is what it's going to look like when we're murdered by all the cars.
Yeah.
You know the truth is gonna hurt. There comes a time when you've got to speak your mind. Or eat your words. Or eat your words.
A For Real Sports production.